Hello guys, today I've got NOMAD Stratos Band and I'm going to show you how to open and close the magnetic clasp. I think I destroyed my background, my mistake, but yeah, here I've got our magnetic clasp on our band, and the first thing we need to do is to push these two buttons like this. Now you need to just push this bottom part towards your watch, and this top part, this NOMAD part, upwards. The NOMAD part is going upwards, and this bottom part, this bottom part goes down. And here we've got this. Now, how to close it? You need to just put this magnet right here to the magnet right here. How does it work on your hand? Let's check it out. Here we've got our hand, and now we've got our band. So you need to just put the first part like this, and the second part onto it. That's it. Now it's mounted. Bye!